Hi and welcome to Money Online Tech. My name is called Moses Wamkota, and today we are going to talk about simple steps that can help you to start an Etsy shop in 2024. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So when you want to open an Etsy shop, first of all, you must ask yourself this question: what am I going to sell on this Etsy shop? And there are majorly 4 categories in which sells well on this Etsy shop. And those are print-on-demand products, we have handmade products, we have vintage products, and digital products. Now you can sell digital products that you designed yourself or vintage items. Now, always you need to choose a category to start with. You don't need to choose several niches because you may end up confusing the buyers. Stick to that category that you are good at. Stick to that niche that you are expert on and think about which one will sell on the platform and what is the best one that you can create. Now for my advice, as I have been on Etsy for some times, people are making 6 figures on Etsy by selling print-on-demand products. Now print-on-demand is a business model where you are the designer, where you select a product, for example, markups or keys. Then a customer places an order. Then you can print them with the print-on-demand website, and those websites will do the rest. Now the best thing with the print-on-demand is that its initial cost is not high, and you can start with as low as $40 to $60. But in return, it will bring more money than that initial cost. You can choose other niches, not only print on demand, provided you are best at them. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in Etsy.com. Then look at those products that you want to create if they exist on Etsy. And the best thing with Etsy is that there are unlimited niches. We have sub-niches that you can choose and then design your products and then sell them on this Etsy. Now after you have jotted down your niche on Etsy shop, what you need to do next is that you need to establish your business. This is where you need to decide on the name of your business. And you need to choose an easy name which will make customers to remember easily. Now to do this, you need to incorporate the name of your selling products on those shops. And this one can make customers to remember your shop very easy. Now to do this, you can use ChatGPT. You can tell ChatGPT to design for you a shop name. You can either use ChatGPT or you can go on to Etsy shop yourself and then look at those shops that you want to create products that are similar to yours that you want to set on. Then identify those names. Then come up with an idea. Then create your unique name to those shops that are similar to the one that you want to establish. Now after you have set up your business name, you can then open a business checking account. Then fund it with a few $100s. This will enable payment process from Etsy shop. Now the next thing to do is to open an Etsy shop. And to do this, you can head on to Google, then type in Etsy.com. This shop will ask you a few questions to get you started, and it will ask you to create one listing in order to get your shop set up completely. And the best thing is that you can change this listing later. You can add your profile picture, logo, and banner, and filling in your about section and completing your privacy. Now after setting your shop, what you need to do is that you need to do a research on your product that you are going to create. You need to know what is trending on the market, so that you need to narrow down about styles and what is trending, the new design that are trending on the market. You need to include those new designs, those trending designs into your product that you are going to sell on Etsy shop. And to do this, you can head on to Etsy shop yourself and then do your own research. Jot those notes down. Or you can use tools such as Samurai to know what people are searching online. Then after doing this research, you can offer something unique in your products that can capture the attention of the buyers. You can also use Google Trend to see what people are searching, what people are looking, or what is trending. Then you can create those products as quick as possible, then post them to your Etsy shop. Once people will be searching for these products, many of them will be buying them on Etsy shop. Hence, you will be making a good amount of money on this Etsy shop. Now, this final step is crucial because you need to be proactive and do marketing to tell people about your shop. And one of them is through social media marketing and influencer marketing. You can tell people through social media. You can use your YouTube channel. You can use Facebook to tell people about your Etsy shop. And the secret here is to be persistent and consistent. Keep on creating new products. Add those new products to your shop. Be proactive. Even if you don't see any sale, be consistent. You never know who your next big customer is. Just stay focused, stay consistent, and at the end, you'll be making a lot of sales. People are moving to digital products. They prefer digital products over physical products. So my lovely friend, let me know in the comment section if you have any question about starting an Etsy shop. We have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I will be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. God bless you. Peace. Bye.